I'm Aedrian Rhenz Franco of Team F, and I'm here to show 3 sets of data of our round-robin scheduling algorithm. This is our Gantt chart, and this is our table. The completion time of P1 is 14 because it ends the process at the time 14 here, and the completion time of P2 is 7 because it ends at time 7, and the P3 is 26 because it ends at time 26, and so on. And to get the turnaround time, we need to minus the completion time to arrival time. So 14 minus 1 is 13, 7 minus 2 is 5, 26 minus 3 is 23, and so on. And to get the waiting time, we need to minus the turnaround time to burst time. So 13 minus 5 is 8, 5 minus 3 is 2, 23 minus 4 is 19, and so on. This is the average waiting time, 9.25, and this is the average turnaround time, 12.625. To get the average waiting time, we need to add all the waiting time and then divide it to the number of process, which is 8, and it is the same as the average turnaround time. Let's go for another example. This is again our Gantt chart, and this is our table. And idle means that no processing happens in that time, so there's 2 times this is 2 idle. The completion time of P1 is 2 because it ends at the time 2. The completion time of P2 is 14 because it ends at the time 14, and so on. And again, to get the turnaround time, we need to minus the completion time to arrival time. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 14 minus 4 is 10, 21 minus 5 is 16, and so on. And on waiting time, we need to minus the turnaround time to burst time. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 10 minus 4 is 6, 16 minus 5 is 11, and so on. The average waiting time is 4.75, and the average turnaround time is 7.125. This again our Gantt chart, and this is our table. The completion time of P1 is 5 because it ends at time 5. The completion of P2 is 7 because it ends in time 7, and so on. And again, to get the turnaround time, 5 minus 2 is 3, 7 minus 4 is 3, 16 minus 7 is 9, and so on. And on waiting time, 3 minus 3 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, 9 minus 4 is 5, and so on. The average waiting time is 3.125, and the average turnaround time is 5.25. That's all. Thank you.